Yo, fellas. Good evening once again. It's your boy Des Papi here then, and I'm fucking back, man. I'm fucking back doing the shit. So today is day two out of day what? I don't know day what, but it's day two of my journey to become a 10 million funded trader in this funding program. So that's like my fucking goal that I have to achieve in the matter of in the span of 5 years of me in this trading industry. So that's my goal, man. So that's what I need to achieve after 5 years. So it may be in between these 5 years, or maybe 2 years, or maybe 1 year by Allah blessings. But guys, that's that that's like my priority, my main goal. At least be a funded trader controlling large sum of capital. 10 million bucks, man, in my trading portfolio. Me managing 10 million, yo, man. That's my fucking goal, man. So it's a day two. So guys, welcome. As yesterday we did our analysis on the GBP, JPY, GBP, USD, and Euro USD, and I said that if I will see the opportunities to take the trade, then I'll fucking take the trade, and I'll come back today to do the simple recap on the trade that I've made, whether it was a winning or a losing, what made me to take the trade. If there was a mistake that I do, I will explain each and every fucking thing on the next video. So that's all what I'm going to do today, and we'll be analyzing afresh the charts and see where are the markets going. So where can we expect our next move? Have I seen opportunity to trade today, or I have not? So guys, we'll be doing such thing daily from day one as we have started today. I don't know, day 500, day 700, day 1005. Yo, no matter what, but the thing is that the goal must be achieved. The videos must be recorded from day one to fucking day 1000 and something, or day 500. No matter which day, until the goal, the day that I have reached the goal, or the day that God have blessed me, and blessed me to own that sum of money, own that sum of capital in my trading portfolio. And I'll be very blessed. Me controlling the 10 million and coming back, looking at my day to me, analyzing the charts and just looking my life. Oh man, this was me on the day two. This was me when I was struggling. So I just recording this so as to be motivation to you guys. The thing that I am sure, I am very fucking sure of it, that one day I'll be very fucking successful. The thing that I'm sure of, man. But no matter what challenges I will pass through on my journey, yo man. So challenges are just there. There is no a straight way to success. There must be some obstacles, some sort of stuffs like that. But it will be nice for me coming back and looking back. Oh man, there's where I've came from, and here's where I am. There, those were my videos those days that I was recording, and these are my videos now. Yo, this was my channel 1,000 days back, and this is my channel this day. So, yo, man, I'm very happy for my future, man. So let us continue with the video, and yeah, to keep things simple and fucking short. So let us start with what you are supposed to be doing. Okay? So yesterday I remember that I took a trade on the GBP JPY. Many people like to call it GJ, or what is the other name of this pair? Man, yo, it's like I don't fucking remember, but I personally prefer to call this pair GJ. So I took a trade on this pair, but yo, unfortunately, it was a losing trade. Man. It was a fucking losing trade. I remember me losing 50 bucks on this trade. 50 bucks, 52. Yeah, 52. I remember 52 bucks on this trade because I'm trading using a fucking strategy, and risk management is my priority. whereby I'm risking 1%. I'm risking 1% on each trade, 1% of my account on each trading setup that I take. But I remember me risking 0.5% on this setup because it was not an A plus setup, it was just like a B setup. Let me like grade it. It was a B setup, not an A plus setup. I remember me just risking 0.5% amount, aiming for 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, meaning that I'm risking $50 to make $150. That's a risk to reward ratio. So that's number one important thing in trading, risk to reward ratio. No matter what kind of win rate do you have, but the thing that will make you fucking consistent and profitable in long term run is just your win rate. What are you risking? Or what are you losing when you lose compared to what are you getting when you win? So that's a fucking good thing to understand. So if you don't know about risk to reward ratio, man, you have to go and study risk and reward ratio. It's just a simple topic, man. You have to understand it. You come and thank me back later. So let us continue with the analysis. And I have already reanalyzed the charts. Nowhere I made a mistake on this yesterday's trade, so let us just like fucking continue. So yesterday I remember me drawing, marking my charts that the general trend of the market was just uptrend. Market was just breaking structure after structure, creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, until where the market reached at this point where the market failed to create a new higher high. See, here the market failed to higher high and market came and create a lower low, higher low. Yeah, it's higher low. Yeah, market came and create a higher low before coming again and create a lower high. So market started creating a lower high and came to break this structure, induced that the market have now shifted from a upward movement. So the market now is fucking down movement. So to me, it was just like a fucking pullback because break this structure and break this structure again, but the market started again to rally up. So I was not trading this pullback. I was just like to go and move with the trend. So I waited for this pullback to be like fucking over. So until this pullback here started like shift again to the upward movement whereby it was the market started to break the structure here to the upside, breaking the structure to the upside again. You see this move, this break of structure to the upside. The market again break the structure to the upside. So after me seeing this, I tell myself now the market have finished the pullback, so it's time where the market wants to go again up. This was not there yesterday, so let me just like fucking remove it today so that it cannot like fucking confuse you. So this have to be removed today. So I remember me seeing after this break of structure again, after multiple break of structures here, is where I noticed that yo man, so the market order flow now have now shifted from down flow again to the upward flow, whereby it have aligned with the so here is where now I can look for the buying opportunities again in this market. So I remember me taking this trade here, but I was not like fucking serious the time I draw this was not supposed to be the time I draw this area of demand here, guys. As you can see, and as you know, guys, that a demand, an area of demand must contribute to the break of structure. Yeah, that's like fucking true, man. So I don't know what made me to drill this area of demand. This area of demand here, I don't know what made me drill this because this didn't contribute to any break of structure. This move did not start here. The real move started here. So I don't know. I don't know why I drew this area of fear. This was a fucking wrong. This was a fucking mistake, childish mistake. I really hate this mistake. I really hate it, but I've learned to be fucking serious, not drawing because I'm just supposed to draw, man. So this just like faked me out because I started considering price when reached this zone. So I assumed that because price came on this zone, again the zone market failed to pass this area and the market came all the way back and just again this zone, but it was again price rejected to move back and it was like price was continuing going up, will continue going up. So after the break of this structure here, so this made me think, oh, so now the price is like moving up. So I should go for a long position. I should go for a long position because price have rejected my area of demand. That was a fucking bad idea because this area of demand was not like fucking valid, man. So I remember me taking trade on here. So let me just like fucking open. Where is my FTMO? Okay, let me just open like my MetaTrader 5 and share with you guys. So as the moment it is loading, yeah, it is already here. Man. So see it. The light just pop out of my face. That's why I'm just using two screens here. So like let me drag it here so for you guys to see. This was account where I took trade off. So let me just go to history. You see, we lose $52 on this trade. We took a trade of for 0.36 lot size, position size. We are using just like fucking standard lots. So because I was risking 0.5 of the account on this trade, meaning that I was risking 50 bucks on this trade. So I was have to go to the Forex calculator and put all the things that I'm risking 0.5% of my account, the trading pairs GBP, JPY. I was having a stop loss of how many pips, guys? You can see here. My stop loss was like of 20 pips, 20 pips stop loss, and yeah, I put a stop loss of 20 pips. So the position size calculator calculated to me will open a trade using what kind of standard lot, and the result was 0.36. So I opened a trade with a standard loss of 0.36, so that if it will be a losing trade, I'll be losing just 50 bucks. So my first priority, me as a trader, number one priority is to preserve capital. That's my number one priority. So I have and I must use stop loss. Not only using stop loss, but the calculated one, the one that I'm willing to risk according to my plan, according to my strategy. So, according to my strategy, it allows me to risk 1%, 1 fucking percent of my account each setup that I will trade. But I was not like, for me, this was not like an A plus setup. So, I just decided to risk 0.5, and unfortunately, it was losing. So at least I've managed my loss, man. So that's like fucking all, man. So this area of demand that I draw that was invalid, just like made me to lose this trade because there was an valid area of demand here. This area here is the one contributing move. This area of demand here is the one that contributed to this break of structure here, man. So it was just like fucking simple like that, man. Because when I opened this trade, market went into my favor by 2 minutes. I don't remember, like fucking 3 minutes, and the market again starting dropping and dropping and dropping, coming to test this the valid area of demand. So after the price reached here to the valid area of demand, the price came and swept the available liquidity above this area of demand before the real move starts. So I was supposed to put my trade here, but I don't know what the fuck did I did and put my trade here. But I cannot blame, man. This is how we fucking learn, niggas. So it's just like simple like that, man. So this trade here was supposed to be taken here, man. I will put even a buy limit. So when price reach here, then the trade was so when price reached here and price swept the available liquidity here is where now the real moves happen. The real move happened, man. So as you can see, yesterday price just consolidated, but today this if I did open this trade, would have probably hit my take profit because look, look, this is what price have done today. This is what price have done, and it's continuing going the upside. See, guys, this fucking small mistake, but this is how we learn in trading. So it's like fucking no. This is how yesterday was spent. Just a single mistake ruined my day, and it was just a losing trade. So yeah, just like that, man. So it's okay. It's okay. Losses are there in trading, so I can't blame so much, but we learn through our losses. So what's going on today now? So today I've been looking these markets, man. So you see, today markets have been going up very much. The market is just like rallying. There's no like fucking pullback. No, price is just in the fucking mid of nowhere. I don't know why should I take the trade of this? So today I didn't see any fucking opportunity. So what I'm waiting for, it's like to see how will the price, because as you can see here, there is a like break of structure. There is a break of structure here. So there are areas of supply and demand that are created here. When we look this on a 4 hour time frame, what can we see? What we can see now, the market. Okay, let me just like zoom this on the 4 hour time frame and you see what's like fucking there. So this is what you see. So there's just like yeah, you see this zone here. It's just like consolidation. So what am I expecting? Price going to continue moving up? I don't know. Let me just continue to watch and see what will the price be doing. So that's like fucking on. So that's like what happened yesterday. And the results were like that. So we just like fucking lose the $50. But today on day two, I've looked on my pairs today, and now it's just London's. It's a New York session I've started, so I'm still looking for there will any opportunity that will present itself, man. I will take it. I'll take it, but I don't need this. I'll take it if I see any opportunity. Oh, why are you doing this? I'll take it if I see any opportunity. But for now, for today, it's like I don't see opportunity. I don't see opportunity, but I'm keeping on analyzing the charts. The I'll know what to do. So just like let me stop this video and delete fucking everything and we start afresh analyzing the charts and see where should our next moves be. So let me just like fucking stop the video for a while, then I'll continue the video and together we'll come and analyze the charts again. Me and fucking you. And if there will be any opportunity or we put a buy stop or sell stop, it's okay. It's okay. If you don't see even opportunity, it's okay not to trade for it. So we have to continue doing some other stuffs. But let me like just stop the video and I delete the drawings and we do our analysis afresh. The only way to get successful in this industry is being fucking consistent, showing up every single fucking day. That's where I was losing. So this time round, this mistake won't happen again. I will fucking show up every single fucking day. So, guys, so let us continue. Today is 25th. You guys, as you can see, I've just showed up. I'm here in the markets and then I'm looking. We are going to reanalyze our charts again. Me and you, freshly. So, for today, the time have gone, man. It's not that this is my first look to the markets. No, I've been looking them since morning, but I just wanted to record a new video, me making my analysis and seeing the place where maybe I might take my test today. So because now it's like the London and New York overlap, so I'll basically have much interest to take trades on the GBP USD and the Euro USD. As you can see now, guys, now the prices have just like started to do those big moves. That's what I was waiting for. As you can see, the whole day price was just like consolidating. We can see this is Wednesday, so we can see the deep range how price moved today because like yeah man, but price moved like only like 44 pips today. That's like fucking awesome. Let us do the analysis firstly. We fucking like remove all drawings. I remain with one indicator. This is the trading session indicator, but I've removed even the session. I just need to see the day breaks, which show me where Monday started and where it ended, where Tuesday started and where it ended, and where Wednesday started and where it ended. So we are going just to do our analysis. One thing to keep in mind that the pullback a run on a higher time frame is the trend on a lower time frame because I am a day trader like a fucking scalper. My position are opened within days, so we are just trading all kind of runs. So to determine which trend are we trading in, we are going to look at the higher time frame and show and look at which run are we in. Is it an upward run, which will be for an uptrend, or a downward run that will be for a downtrend? So my higher time frame that I'm be considering is 4 hour time frame. So we might look to the 4 hour time frame and what are we observing on the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame, like we can see that the price is just like it's like an uptrend, but not a very big one because you can see prices creating higher highs and higher lows. Price came here and create a new higher high, higher low, and here, yeah, it's just created a new higher high before coming and creating here lower low. But this is just like a fucking fake out because the market have created the higher that is bigger than this one. So this is like a new higher high. So what am I expecting from this? So let me just like fucking remove this. Let me just like fucking remove this. So what are we observing? This is what we call a run. This is 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 a run, and this is a run. So in which run are we in now? Now we are in this run. So generally we can say that the price is an uptrend because we are in a upward run. So because the price it is in an upward run, so we are in an uptrend, we are looking for the buying opportunities. But where does our price reach? How can I term this factor to make it like clear? It's like what I'm seeing here, it's like the price have reached to the point where it have to breathe, make a small pullback before it continue even going further upward. So I don't know if this is like going to happen that the price will continue to go up without doing a pullback. So today and tomorrow I am expecting like to see a simple pullback. I'm expecting to see like a price doing the pullback before price started the move to go again upward. That's what I'm expecting. So for today, it's true that we in an upward run, but I can see that the run have reached like an area of supply where but the market must breathe a bit before going up. So I'll look for the short-term shorting position. If they will happen today, I will take my shots. But if they will not present themselves, I will wait for a fucking pullback and wait for price to go back again upward. So this is just like my overview from the higher time frame. So like, I mean, like, let me just like fucking remove this all and we go to the 5 minutes to analyze our charts now because we take our entries on the 1 minute time frame. So my analyses are always done on the 5 minute time frame. So when we are looking at the 5 minute time frame, what are we observing? What are we observing? What is the price doing on the 5 minute time frame? As we can see, the price is just an uptrend, breaking structure after structure, breaking structure after structure, creating higher highs until where the price reached here and failed to create the new high that is, yeah, and until price reached here, whereby there was no again a new higher high that was created. After price reached here, it's like just like fucking start consolidating, consolidating, consolidating. It haven't broken this low here, but also it haven't made a new higher high. So the price, it's like we're observing and see what will the price do. So according to the recent, let me just draw the recent break of structures that have appeared, because here we can see this was our last break of structure here. So let me just know, let me like add test here. This was a break of structure. Oh man, bitch, I need to add this text here. This was the last break of structure here, man. So when we clone this one here, let me just like fucking clone it, and we can see that there was no again a break of structure because no structure was broken again. Was there a break of structure here? No, there wasn't a break of structure here, but this area was retested. This area was retested here, so it was a nice place to take the trade, because you see this here we have an area of demand that contributed to this break of structure here. So this is a very recent area of demand that contributed. This is a very recent area of demand that contributed to this break of structure here. As you can see, here is where price came to test back this zone, and again after being tested, it was just like fucking rejected. And I'm observing, I'm still watching what is price doing here. I'm still like fucking observing what is it doing here, but I'm expecting price to move in either side. So if there will be a pullback or price will continue going up, guys, we just have to look to the price action, because you cannot like fucking predict where is the price moving next. So just like observe the price action and look the order flow of the market. So this is like just like market mechanics. Yo, man, I'm the student of Brad Go. I'm very honored to mention this mentor here, because I think this is the guy who's going to take my trading to the next level, man. So I've been watching Brad Greek contents and how we do the analysis and everything. I can say I'm totally a student of Brad Go. All the strategies and everything I'm using, it's like I've learned it from Brad Go. So I'm honored. So shout out to you if you are watching this video from anywhere, or it happens you meet this video. Shout out to you, bro. I love you so much. I love you so much. That you don't know how much your videos contributed to my growth, and they're fucking motivating me. Brother, you are my motivator, man. You're my fucking motivator. You are 22. Oh, I don't know. You're 22. I'm just like fucking 21 now. But bro, I need when I grow up to be like you, bro. I need to be like you. I need to be very fucking disciplined, very consistent like you. I need to be very fucking like what? I need to be very successful like you, bro. So, and your points are reasonable. Your strategy is reasonable. Everything of you is like just like fucking reasonable, man. There's every reason why you are there, because you fucking worked hard, and yeah. You deserve to reap the fruits of the efforts that you have made. So let me just like fucking continue, man, from here. So this here was the last break of structure to the upside. After here, man, there was no structure that was broken again because price was just like consolidating in this range. Like price like saying, yo man, I'm creating a new lower high, but it happened. The price come and create a lower high here, but again, it failed to create a lower low that is lower than this one. So I can simply take this as just movements that are there and they must always happen. As for today, we can see that the price was just coming to retest this area of demand. But after coming here to retest this area, what I can see that price respected and just went up. So what am I waiting here? The thing what I'm waiting here, I'm waiting to see if the price come back here. If the price will come back here, I'm waiting price to sweep the liquidity above these lows here before going even further. So if the price will reach here, according to the trend, it have to go upside. But if this zone is breaking and is not respected, so I can say that there is gonna be a pullback to this zone here, which contributed to like this break of structure here again. So I can just like fucking clone this one again here and put it here because here there is a break of structure. There is a break of structure here. See here, there's a break of structure in here. Okay, let me just, why are we skipping this one? There is a break of structure here. And this move that contributed to this break of structure here, this move started here. Man, for this, fucking confused. Yeah, this move does that. So let me just like put it here because this move started far away from here. So this is our extreme demand zone, like here. So where are we expecting price to pull back? We're expecting price to pull back either to this one or price to pull back to this one. If not this one, to this one. So we're waiting and see what is price going to do. So let us analyze the Euro USD and see what is the price doing, guys. As normal, we are going to our 4-hour time frame, and remember, a run on a higher time frame is the trend on the lower time frame. That's the same thing, same fucking thing we are looking every single fucking day in these markets. So we are determining whether now the market is on what kind of run. So as you can see, and I can draw for you guys, the market is this an upward run, downward run, upward run. So the market is an upward on the upward run. So this, when it comes to 1 minute and 5 minute time frame, we are expecting to trade on the upper trend. So we are looking for the buying opportunities. It's an upward run, so I'm expecting to see buying opportunities because we are on an upward run. So that's all I'm fucking looking on the 4-hour time frame. Be looking just where have the price reached. As you can see, price have reached to the point where they are all, it have previously reached here, but the thing that the price have failed to create the new higher high. So we're just watching and see what's like going on. So let us go to the 5 minutes and continue analyzing our charts. Okay, just a simple view. Just a simple view. Today we have seen price doing just like a pullback. It's again trending down after price creating this high here that have not created a, see here we can turn this place here as an area of supply because this is the very latest area of supply that have been created, and it's very highest point that the price have reached the, I think it was yesterday and before, because Because for how you can see the double top pattern was created here. So after price reached this here, it's like price fell little, broke this higher high here and started to drop. Prices started to drop, and it is like tell us, hey, you know what, man? I've shifted from uptrend to down. This is what like the price is trying to tell us, man. Oh, I've shifted. I've shifted. Oh man, I need to write here. Reconstruction. Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck is happening with you? I need to write break of structure. Here there was a break of structure to the upside. Yes, downward. So let me like put a D here for downward break of structure. So this, yeah, this was a downward DBOS, downward break of structure. So after this break of structure, what are we observing? The market keep breaking structure. Uh, Here again, there was a break of structure to the downside, but again, market failed to break this structure. Oh, was it broken? Yeah, it's like the structure was broken again here. No, 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 because price reached here. It was not broken again. So we are. You see here, price just like created a triple bottom. One, two, three. So I don't know what's the price is doing because yeah, this shit have been consolidating today. Oh, what happened to my chart? Everybody set my chart view. Set my chart view. Set my chart view. I need to know what's going on. What's the fucking going on here? So simply here, I'm looking for the buying opportunity. I'm not selling. I'm not selling this shit. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see. You see here, this was the last break of structure. This here, for the last break of structure. Here is where we had our last breakup of structure to the upward. So I need to like clone this, clone, and get one, and get one, and get one, and get one, and put it here because this one was the last upward break of structure. Here is where we are having an upward. Here is where we are having an upward break of structure. Yes. Yeah. How can I label it? Just like fucking put it in vertical. This one is the green. And this, let us begin putting it in red because it's downward. Downward break of structure. This is the upward break of structure. You see? So this break of structure, this move that contributed to break of structure, it was this move. So this here, it is a very latest area of demand. So I'm patient. I'm patient and I'm waiting to see what's the price doing here. What's the price doing here? What is the price going to be doing here? So I'm waiting price to come and test this zone. Test this zone before going out, or if it will misbehave here, it will tell me that the order flow have now shifted. But for now, I don't see opportunity in USD. So for today, I'm fucking sorry, your USD, I will not be with you. I'm just continuing looking. It's okay not to trade. It's okay not to trade, guys. For the GBP USD, I'm waiting. Still waiting. I still haven't seen any opportunity. GBP JPY, we did analyze this pair and we have seen the move, the mistake that we had made. So, pooh. For today, there's no like fucking opportunity because it's already over, man. It's already over. This trade was to be taken since yesterday. So let us just like analyze it and See how is it like fucking going, man, with this GDP. As you can see, it's on a very good uptrend. See, well, on a 4 hour time frame, we are just looking what kind of run are we in now. We are on a upward run. So we expected to see some retracement before price continue going even further upward. So price it's like on a premium area. So now let me just like fucking delete it. Come to the 5 minutes so we can analyze this. That's let's see like what's fucking happening with GBP. What's like fucking happening with you, nigga? Are you okay? Are you okay? Yo, man, so see, price is breaking structure after structure, breaking the structure after structure. So let me, you see here is our last break of structure. This is the break of structure to the upside. Yo, my head is fucking tired. I don't know why. Today I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling good. I have to do this shit. I have to do this shit. Whatever the situation I must I must show up. That's what I agreed to myself. I must like fucking show up every single fucking day. So let me just like this one is an upward. This was an upward UBS, UBOS. So when we even add the text here, this is U. This is an upward break of structure. You see. So what move contributed to this break of structure? It was this move here. This was the move that contributed to the last break of structure. So this is our latest area of demand. Also, we are having this area here. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, we also have this break of structure here that happened here. Here we also had break of structure to the upside. So what is the move that contributed to this break of structure? The move generally started here. So we have this one here. This is our extreme demand zone. So contributed to this break of structure. So we are expecting price to pull back at least. So we are waiting price to pull back because price just cannot go up and forever upward. So we are waiting price to pull back. Here's where we can take some trades, but for today it's already fucking over. This trade was supposed to be take yesterday, but we did some mistakes yesterday. Speak all of those on the previous video, so it's nice to have you guys, and I love you so much. So today I don't see like opportunity on the market, so maybe tomorrow, if God blesses and we take trades, I will update you guys where are we. But for today, the markets are not as awesome as I need them to be. But let us continue watching. Let us continue watching. See what's the market doing. Okay, take care, guys. Love you so much.